Everybody's loud when the lights turn on, selling shortcuts, singing borrowed songs. They mistake the calm for weakness, think quiet means I'm gone. I walked through worse than whispers, stood my ground when lies took shape. If you're waiting on me to fold you, gonna have to wait. I've learned the truth don't rush, and strength don't always roar. Some storms just circle till you show them what you're for. Don't move for the noise, don't bend for the crowd, don't answer every voice, there's a yelling out loud. I stand where I'm planted, I know my ground. I don't move for the noise, I let it drown. Yeah, yeah. Seen them chase smoke and mirrors, trade their spine for applause. I stay steady in the static, let time do what it does. Pressure tries to name you, fear tries to take the wheel, but there's a line you don't cross if you're built from something real. I don't flinch when the rumor flies, don't blink when the doubt comes fast. I survive worse than words and I remember what lasts. I don't move for the noise, don't bend for the crowd, don't answer every voice, that's a yelling out loud. I stand where I planted, I know my ground. I don't move for the noise, don't move for the noise, I hold my line, let the truth show up in time. You can shout, you can surround, I don't move for the noise, I let it drown. I don't move for the noise, I stand my ground. Roots run deep where I was found. Say it once, say it loud. I don't move for the noise, I let it drown. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Still standing.